You want me to go under and lift it up?
Yeah, that's what I was trying to pull it up in the air. But holy shit, they're strong. These things are real strong. Sorry.
It's a window.
It is. I thought it was a door. Hi, Macon. Okay.
Flashlight coming out.
You stay right next to us.
I am.
All right. So behind Rhonda is the mask of vines we just had to climb through to get in this place. Ridiculous. So, yeah.
Actors.
You can't go in there.
Actors,
Actors only. And that's staff.
production staff.
This is me.
And that would be the bathrooms, the actors. This is the main entrance.
Holy shit. It smells real bad.
Would you like some popcorn?
Hi, can I get a large popcorn? Can I also get some soda, sir?
There you go. Well, we don't have any Juji fruits, but we do have Reese's Pieces.
Okay, sir. Thank you. How much would that be?
It's on the house.
The way movies are now, about $85.
There's the popcorn machine. Oh, there's the ticket booths, because you can see the little openings there. And what's back there? We'll make our way back there. So what was this one? Ice, you think?
Ice and candy. Popcorn would be in there. Oh my god, it smells so bad.
Yeah, definitely a nice smell of mildew here.
This was probably ice. And that one was probably candy. At least that's what I'm thinking.
Well, they smashed concession. Well, they broke the neons, but that would have been cool. All the neons that say concession on it. Oh, let's make our way back.
Guess what?
So I just found the. You got a pee?
Yeah, I pee. I'm right in the mood.
Yeah, we couldn't do it.
Yeah, you can't really look into that.
No, it's...
It's destroyed.
But if you look up there...
Well.
My pee first.
Oh, thanks.
You're stronger.
Let's go to the projector room. What? That would be the plaster. Rhonda's knocking the building apart.
Oh, smash.
So you can see the ceiling is collapsing there. Here is the projector. There's a lot of film here. What's left of the projector? That's just the base. Here's all the letters and numbers. Cinemas. Yes.
No, we're good.
Isn't that there? There's the movie reels, and we even got some 3D glasses, brand new in pack. Want some 3D glasses?
Mike, I got pee again. Oh, check it out.
But when you just don't have enough 3D glasses,
Oh, check this out. Eddie Riley.
a lot of paint.
What's the formation?
Peter.
Probably ain't gonna show too much. Let me go in the big window. You can see some. So yeah, this is I believe it was a one seating theater. Yeah, no seats out there at all. Well, these are Wednesday, 8/2003. Maybe they had the stubs on certain around them.
Maybe.
So here's the rewinder. That was, oh my God, it's so old school. Look at the hand crank. It's froze up. They're so worn. Can't even see what they are. There's like rolls and rolls. That's really about it for up here though. They actually had, oh, here's another movie projector base. No projector again, because there's windows right there. So they were able to probably stop this, go to a second movie on the other one.
Hey, keys and cups.
That's a lot of cups. Muggy as hell in here. Muggy as hell.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. What was down this way? Anything? Someone's bed at some time. Someone was sleeping here at some point.
Oh, yeah.
Clothes. Oh yeah.
Oh, there's also fresh batteries.
Oh.
All right, let's go.
Let's go.
Yeah, there's needles right there. So. Needles in there.
Lead the way.
Those needles in there. Good idea. Quite on the set. Quite on the set. Bathrooms. Wow. That's pretty cool. Let me turn my lights up all the way. I don't even think it'll do anything. No, this is it. Big ass hole. But all the seats are gone throughout the whole thing. Definitely 90s colors.
Okay, let's go.
Quiet on the set. Quiet on the set. Oh, no, there was 2 movie theaters. I'm just gonna poke in real quick. Nope, same thing. Totally gutted. Okay. Well, let's get the hell out of here. Oh. So this is what you gotta go through to get in here. It's bad. Unless you can jump the rail.
Jump it and walk around. I got one good picture.
All right, guys, that was your look at the premiere movie theater. What a trek through the... It probably would have been bad if you did it in the spring or the fall. Of course, it's summertime, and there's the vines are growing, as you can see right above Rhonda's head, right there. Where is it? Right boom there in the corner. There's vines growing up, and they're thick, and they are hard to get through. So we made it. Pretty cool. 2 movie two theaters inside. It was pretty cool. It's pretty run down. The smell of mildew like crazy. Any things you liked in there?
I mean, I peed 2 times in there.
You peed, she peed twice in
You'll
there.
see.
Twice,
You'll see.
You got your 3D glasses?
Yeah, my pocket.
She got a
It
free
was
pair of
actually
3D
cool
glasses.
seeing like a thing like that, especially with a catwalk above. Also, I'm sweating. I sweat.
Oh my god, it's so humid
Yeah,
here.
It's muggy as hell.
Dude, this one's a little bit colder, please.
Definitely.
What'd you like?
I just thought it was really cool. Like, being that I worked in a theater when I was younger, and it was an old school theater, it was cool to see it.
Definitely
With the
9.
projection room.
Yeah.
And, yeah.
Oh, wait, were you recording when we were doing our little skit?
Yep.
Y'all love that.
and definitely 90s themed colors, the
Oh, yeah.
teal and the purple. So I mean, this dates back. I already had the information in the beginning of the video, so this dates back way. It was 2 different theaters at least. So, but you know,
Probably
thanks.
a cool little place at a time.
Yeah, definitely. So I think this was, if in the beginning of the video, I think I said this is the first theater in this county way back when. So
It actually reminds me of the one up in Honesdale.
a very small one.
Yeah, the one up in Honesdale right across from Walmart. It reminds me of that. Except that one's a little bit bigger than this.
Pretty cool though. I liked it. So very small, quick, just a quick one going through there. like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you ring that notification bell so you get notified every time a video comes out. Look at it, I said that all in one sentence. All right, guys. Guess what? I'll catch you in the next adventure. See ya.
Ah.